Frankincense essential oil is an aromatic substance derived from the resin of the Boswellia tree. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health conditions. Today, it is gaining popularity as a natural remedy for various ailments. Frankincense oil has been used for centuries for its therapeutic properties and health benefits. Here are some of the most notable uses of frankincense oil. 1. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Frankincense oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that make it an effective natural remedy for pain and inflammation. It contains boswellic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. 2. Respiratory health and asthma. Frankincense oil has been used in aromatherapy to promote respiratory health and alleviate symptoms of asthma. It can help clear the airways and reduce inflammation, making breathing easier and more comfortable. 3. Skincare and anti-aging. Frankincense essential oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that make it beneficial for skin health. It can help to reduce acne, scars, and stretch marks. It can also be used to speed up the healing of wounds and cuts. Frankincense oil is often used in skincare products due to its ability to improve skin tone and texture. When using frankincense essential oil for cosmetic purposes, it is important to dilute it with a carrier oil such as jojoba oil or coconut oil. It is also important to be aware of any potential side effects such as skin irritation or allergic reactions. As with any essential oil, it is recommended to do a patch test before using it on a larger area of skin. 4. Mental health and stress management. Frankincense oil has a calming and relaxing effect on the mind and body, making it an effective natural remedy for stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also help improve memory and promote better sleep. 5. Natural fragrance and perfumery. Frankincense essential oil is a popular ingredient in natural fragrances and perfumes due to its woody and spicy aroma. It blends well with other essential oils such as lavender, sandalwood, and rose. It is also used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and reduce stress. 6. Home care and cleaning. Frankincense oil can also be used in home care and cleaning. It has been found to have antibacterial properties that can help fight germs and bacteria. When added to a cleaning solution, it can help disinfect surfaces. 7. Hair maintenance. Frankincense oil is not just popular in skincare products, but in hair care too. The oil can help keep hair shiny and moisturized, but can even prevent dandruff. Frankincense wards off dandruff by preventing the scalp from getting dry and flaky. It can also soothe hair follicles, which helps to facilitate hair growth at the root. 8. Warts. Frankincense has astringent, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties that may help treat warts. Place 1 or 2 drops of the oil mixed with 1 to 6 drops of carrier oil on a cotton ball. Place the cotton ball on the wart, and then cover that with a bandage. Repeat 2 times per week until your wart is gone. In summary, frankincense essential oil has a variety of cosmetic applications due to its natural fragrance, skin health and healing properties, and emotional well-being benefits. It can be a valuable addition to any skincare or aromatherapy routine. When using frankincense oil, it is important to keep in mind proper dilution and application to ensure safety and effectiveness. Frankincense oil is highly concentrated and should be diluted with a carrier oil before use. A common dilution ratio is 2 to 3 drops of frankincense oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Some popular carrier oils include jojoba, coconut, and almond oil. When applying frankincense oil topically, it is important to perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any potential allergic reactions. It is also recommended to avoid using frankincense oil on broken or irritated skin. While frankincense oil is generally considered safe for most people, there are some potential side effects and interactions to be aware of. Ingesting frankincense oil is not recommended, as it may cause nausea and digestive discomfort. Additionally, frankincense oil may interact with certain medications, such as blood-thinning medications and hormone supplements. When choosing frankincense oil, it is important to select a pure and high-quality product. Look for oils that are steam distilled from the resin of Boswellia trees, such as Boswellia carterii, Boswellia sacra, or Boswellia serrata. These oils contain high levels of alpha-pinene and alpha-fugine, which are believed to provide many of the oil's health benefits. Avoid purchasing frankincense oil that has been adulterated with other oils or synthetic fragrances. It is also recommended to purchase from a reputable supplier that provides information on the oil's source and extraction method. Overall, frankincense oil has many potential uses and health benefits when used properly and safely. However, it is important to keep in mind these usage and safety considerations to ensure the best results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 22 effective castor oil uses and benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.